great event today here at the Eagle Labs at Cranfield. The event was all about the role of artificial intelligence and machine learning and what that means for those in the manufacturing sector, both now and in the future.
I found today's event really interesting. It wasn't just listening to some very interesting presentations, but also about doing a little bit of networking, talking to some of the other people in industry. And I have to say, everyone was incredibly welcoming.
I found the event very interesting. It's good to see what other companies in the cluster are doing with AI and machine learning in manufacturing.
So I think the question and answer session really points to how valuable the special interest groups are, because there's as much expertise in the audience as there is for those that are presenting out.
We're talking about things that are actually happening, some really interesting case studies and everything.
It's definitely an interesting event to have attended, and I learnt about several companies involved in the cluster.
The value that we get from discussing these kind of subjects, artificial intelligence, machine learning, what does that mean for the future? And actually that collaborative approach to bringing those discussions out into the industry is as important as anything else.
First time I've been to one of these, and it could be a bit daunting, but people were really happy to come up and talk, introduce themselves and everything, and that gives you a good strong feeling.